Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money online using Google Trends, ChatGPT, and free tools like CapCut, all without showing your face or recording your voice.
First, open a new tab and search for Google Trends. Click on the first link and you'll land on the main interface. Now, change your country to any country you prefer. For this video, I'll use the United States. Next, click on the Trending Now tab. Here, you can see what's trending in the past 24 hours, 48 hours, or even the last 7 days. To get the most searched topics, sort by search volume instead of relevance. Pick a trending topic that looks interesting. For example, let's go with Bills versus Bears. Once you click on the trend, scroll down to the In the News section. Choose any article that's related to the topic and copy its URL. Now open ChatGPT and use this prompt. Write an article using the information from this link. Paste the article URL. ChatGPT will generate a rewritten article for you, completely original and ready to use. Just make sure to remove any extra references or source citations at the end. Next, we're going to turn the article into audio using a text-to-speech tool. If you have a budget, use ElevenLabs for the most realistic AI voices. If you want a free and easy alternative, use Google Gemini's built-in speech generator. Here's how. Go to Gemini Google. Sign in with your Google account if you're not already logged in. In the chat input, type, "Read this text aloud in a natural-sounding voice." Then, paste one paragraph from your article. Gemini will generate audio output right inside the chat. Just hit play to listen. Repeat the process for each paragraph to maintain better pacing and control. Once you've recorded the audio, save it as an MP3 file. To make your video more engaging, we'll need visuals. Go back to the original article and copy the title. Search that title on YouTube and TikTok to find relevant clips. Use a TikTok video downloader or any YouTube downloader to save them. Also, grab any images or thumbnails from the article itself. Right-click and hit Save Image. Make sure the content is related and safe to use. Avoid using copyrighted music or official video clips. Now it's time to put it all together using CapCut, a free video editor that's beginner-friendly. Open CapCut and create a new project. Import your clips, then drag it to the timeline. Import audio files. Increase the voiceover volume by 10% for better clarity. Next, drag your downloaded videos and images into the timeline and place them over the voiceover. You can rearrange the visuals in any way. Just try to match the footage with what the voiceover is saying. Once everything looks good, click Export and select 480p or higher. Now your video is ready for YouTube. And that's it. If you follow these steps consistently, you'll be well on your way to creating a profitable faceless YouTube channel. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Let me know if you want a full tutorial on YouTube monetization or getting viral video topics. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!